Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Turban Juliana. Please, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And do not forget to like this video at the end. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload new video. So today, we'll be making this beautiful, you can see my hat here, the hat I'm wearing. This beautiful, gorgeous hat. So if you want to know how it's done, keep on watching. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Turban Juliana. Please do not forget to like this video at the end. So today we'll be making this, if you look through the video, you see this beautiful hat I'm wearing. It's so beautiful. It's ready to go with this bold flower and everything. So we'll be making it today, exact the same hat. So let's go straight to it. So here, all you need for this tutorial is your fabric. You cut out your fabric and your pins, your scissors, and your tape measure. So all you need is to cut out your fabric, which measures 24 inches length and 12 inches width. 24 inches length of fabric and 12 inches width. So when you cut out this, but it depends on your head measurement. You have to first of all check your head measurement, the circumference of your head. So mine is 24. Mine might be different from yours. So all you have to do is to use your tape measure like so. Take your tape measure, place it around your head. This will give you your measurement, your exact measurement. See, mine is 24. So, and I added a little bit sewing allowance. You see, 24. I added 2 inches extra for my sewing allowance. So you just use your tape measure, place it like so. It's very easy, and you get your exact head measurement, and then you add some inches for your sewing allowance. So after this, you can see here I've already, and another thing you have to get have a band like this. Cut out a piece of fabric the same that measure the same length as your head measurement. As you guys can see here, I have a piece of fabric. You see, something like this, and the width measures is 5 inches. It depends on what you want. If you want it bigger, just something to cover up the end of your fabric, just to make it so beautiful and professional. So when you have something like this, you place it. You see how you cut out your fabric? You place this like so. Place it on top. You can see. Hope you are following. Place it like this and pin it down. When you pin it down, it's very easy. When you pin it down, use either your sewing needle. If you don't have your sewing machine, it's not necessary. It's not a must anyway. But if you have it, good thing for you. It will make life easier for you. So use your needle or your sewing machine to sew down this together. Sew them together. So here, as you guys can see, and after sewing it together, you fold your fabric like this. You see how, if you watch my previous video, check my page, you see, I made one, a hat, I think a couple of weeks ago. You can see how, remember how we folded the fabric into 2 places, and just gave it a sharp cut like this, just a slanting to form up a hat shape. You see? If you watch that video, you see everything. This one I've already cut out the shape after stitching this together. You can see this one here. I've finished sewing the band and the fabric together. You see the whole idea. So after stitching it together, you fold like this, and you give the sharp cut and to give it like a heart shape. So after that, for those of you, if you did not watch my previous video, just go straight to my page. You see the video, you watch it so that you know how you cut your own hat. So after this, you fold like so and take it back to your machine. Start from here, sew down, sew it together. Sew it down together till the end, till here. Almost your hat is ready. Stitch from this end to this end. So I'll go and stitch it, sew it with my machine, and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, at this point I've finished stitching it down. I've sewn from this end to this end. So now the next thing to do is to turn your hat, turn it out to the good side, and you can go ahead and iron it down to make it even. You can see here, you iron it down to make it even. But today I'm not gonna iron it down. I'll just go straight and continue. So turn it back to the wrong side. Turn it to the wrong side again. And what you do, use your needle and your thread, stitch from this point to this point, from this point to this point. Remember where you make your slant, you cut the hat a little bit, where you trim off a little fabric, from this point, from the beginning here to this point. So I will show you guys exactly what I mean here. Okay. You see, you start from right from the end, and you have to use a strong needle because this end is really hard, it's thick because it's double fabric. So take little by little, gather. It's like you're placing gathering a fabric. You see, little by little, gradually you gather. So I'll continue to gather it till the end. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, at this stage I finished stitching it down, gathering the hat. You see, I've finished placing my gathering and I've closed it. So the next thing to do is to turn it to the good side. You see, at this stage your hat is ready. If you don't want to like to decorate it, to put this bow tie and this flower, like, but that's the beauty of the hat. You have to do that to get your hat to make it beautiful, to elaborate the hat. So you place it like so, like stretch it out and make the everything visible for you. So now the next thing to do is to make this beautiful flower. You see, we have the beautiful one is a bow tie and the other one is like a flower. So what you do is to cut out a fabric, cut out another fabric like so. It's like a circle fabric. You see, this is all I have for this fabric. This is what is left from this fabric. I don't have any other fabric to make this flower, but I have to use what I have. So I'll fold it like so. Just cut out a circle, any size, it doesn't matter. So but the bigger the bigger the length and the circle, the bigger the circle, the bigger the flower. It will be bold if you make it bigger. If you want your flower to be small, you cut a smaller circle. So today I will be making use of this. So I'll go ahead and trim out. I'll cut out a fabric like this. I just want to make use of what I have now. Cut it like so. See how I cut mine. So now I'll go ahead and I'll use my needle to start stitching from this end. I will equally come back and show you guys how I stitch here. I will start from here now. Use your needle the same way we did before. Start gathering the fabric. You can choose to go with any flower, however you want to make your flower or anything to decorate the hat. It's totally up to you, but this is the way how I make my flower, the one I use to decorate the hat I'm wearing. So like this, you gather till the end. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, I finished gathering it. This is the look of it. This is what it looks like at this stage. So I will use, either you use your glue to put the edges together like so, or you use your needle. So I will keep this aside, and I will show you guys again the next flower. This is the one that has a circle shape, round shape. So now what you do to make your flower, the bold one here, you go like this, start from this end, from the right side, start from the right side, good side of the fabric, place your needle like so, start gathering again. You will gather till the end of this circle. Keep on gathering like so. But it doesn't matter where, either you start from the wrong or right side. After, you can still turn it out to the good side. So, but we are going like this today. So like so, you continue to gather. When you gather, make sure you tie the end of your thread. Tie the end of the thread so that you don't lose all you've gathered. So we continue like so. Gather and gather till the end. Take it bit by bit. Don't take too much, and leave some allowance for your to stick the whole flower together after at the end. So I'll continue like this till the end. I'll come and show you guys the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, I finished gathering the circle. We are almost at the end of the whole thing. So now what you do is to pull your thread. You see how I pull it together? You see how it is? Just pull your thread together to pull all the gathering, all your stitches together, and place it like so. You see the whole idea? Like a flower. You see? The whole stitches are now joined together, pulled together. See? So now what you do next is to close up your stitches. Pull it from one end to another, you see, just to close it up, to make it nice and neat. I'm closing it up now. You guys can see. You see the whole idea. So now we'll go ahead and place this on top. When you are stitching this, make sure the rough side is at the back, the wrong side of the flower. Push them together like so. Push everything in and put it like so, and start stitching everything together. So to make your work nice and neat and professional, like so. You can do this, either you do it with the both flower together, or you can do it separately. It's totally up to you, but I prefer to do it with the whole flower together. So I'll continue like this. I'll come back and show you. The whole idea is to put the both flower together, you see, so that at the end we'll place it like so. So I'll go and continue to stitch them together. I'll come back and show you the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, our flower is already together. Both of them are together now. You see? See how beautiful it is. So now I'll go ahead and place it on the hat. You check this is the beginning of your hat. Go at the center here. Don't go too far in order to place it right at the center. You see how this one looks? So you will do the same thing, just a little bit step apart from the where you place the band. Go straight here and place so that when you place it, it will still cover up here. You see the idea? Place right here. You can use your glue like I mentioned before. You can use this glue to glue it, but I'll use my needle to sew it down to my hat. So I'll go ahead and do that. At this stage, your hat is ready. You have yourself a beautiful hat. You see? And you can equally use your glue after stitching it down. You can use your glue as well to put it down if you want. It's totally up to you, whatever you want, however you want it, you do it. You can use your glue as well, or you can just use your needle the way I'm doing it right now. So at this stage, I will go ahead and tie it up at the back. You see, your hat is ready. You have yourself a ready to go hat, beautiful, gorgeous hat, like the one I'm wearing right now. So I will stitch again and tie it up twice. And tie it up. I will tie it up again the second time here, like so. Sorry. Tie one, just to secure the whole thing. So now here your hat is ready, your flower is ready. So like so, you see. But here as well, I want to show you guys something. You can place your brooch, you know, brooch or your earring, whatever you want to, just to make it to elaborate the design, the decoration. You can place your, like I have a brooch here. It's almost the same color with my hat, so I'll place it like so, just to make it beautiful. You see? You see the whole idea? Our hat is ready, the beautiful hat, you see? So I'll go ahead and try it. There's some noise here. I'll go ahead and try my hat. Sorry about the noise. I think some people are walking outside my apartment. Sorry, let me move it and rock my hair. You guys can see, I'm so happy. You can see it's almost the same thing. This one has a bow tie, but I put it up in another gorgeous tie. Can you see that? In a space of 20 to 30 minutes, you have yourself this beautiful hat. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I'm loving it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, subscribe and like this video. Hopefully you like this video and make yours as soon as possible. Thank you guys. See you next time.